How to redeem YouTube premium code. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. First and foremost, you can go ahead and launch your preferred browser in your mobile device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for youtube.com/redeem. After this, you'll be redirected to a new page. You will find this field where you can enter your redemption code. Then click on the next button. This is the first way. You also have the alternative way to do so, for which you can tap open your Play Store if you are an Android user. Then tap on the profile icon and head to Payment and Subscription. Click on Redeem Code and enter the code. Or just tap on Scan Gift Card to scan the barcode of the gift card or the YouTube Premium Code card. By this way, you'll be able to redeem your YouTube Premium code. If you are an iOS user, you can follow this process by launching your phone settings, heading over to the billing section. Then you can easily redeem your YouTube Premium code. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.